In this question, you have to identify the statement which is not true. Option A, sweet potato and potato is an example of analogy. Now it is true. Sweet potato and potato are examples of analogous organs as they perform similar functions, that is, storage of food, but have different origins. Sweet potato is a modified root and potato is a modified stem. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B, homology indicates common ancestry. Now, it is also true. Homologous organs share a common evolutionary origin but may have different functions. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C, flippers of penguins and dolphins are pair of homologous organs. It is not true. The flippers of penguins and dolphins are analogous structures. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, analogous structures are result of convergent evolution. Now, it is also true. Analogous structures arise due to convergent evolution, where different species evolve similar traits independently due to similar environmental pressures. Hence, it is incorrect option.